In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. Whether you need to sign a document for work, personal use, or any other reason, this guide ensures the process is simple and straightforward. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your desired PDF using Adobe Acrobat. It's important to ensure that your Acrobat version is up to date to avoid any technical hiccups. Once you have your PDF open, take a look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Here you'll find a tab labelled All Tools. Click on it and then locate and select Fill and Sign. This section hosts everything you need to add a signature to your document. After selecting Fill and Sign, you'll see an option that says Add Signature. By clicking on this, you're presented with 3 different ways to create your digital signature. The first method is to type your signature. If you choose this, simply select Type and use your keyboard to input your name. Acrobat will convert it into a signature style font, giving it an authentic signature appearance. Now if you're looking for more of a personal touch, you might prefer to draw your signature. To do this, select Draw and use your mouse to replicate your handwritten signature. This option might take a few tries to get right, but it definitely adds a personal flair to your document. Lastly, if you already have a signature saved as an image file, you can select Image to upload your pre-made signature. Just ensure the image file is clear and properly cropped to achieve the best results. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll stick with drawing the signature option. An important tip here is to stabilize your mouse hand or use a stylus if you have access to one, especially on tablets or touchscreens, as it can greatly enhance the accuracy and appeal of your digital signature. Once you have your signature ready, whether typed, drawn or uploaded, click Apply. This will allow you to place your signature on your PDF. Simply click on the area where you want your signature to appear. Adobe Acrobat will insert it right where you specify. You've now digitally signed your document, but it's crucial not to skip the final step, saving your work. Hit the Save button to ensure your signed document is stored properly on your device. Consider saving it with a new file name so you can easily distinguish it from the original unsigned document. And there you have it. Your document is now digitally signed and ready to be used however you need. This process can save you time compared to traditional methods and is particularly useful for handling documents remotely. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on streamlining your digital workflow.